Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will introduce you about Visual Studio Code. In the first tutorial, we explained you how to use Visual Studio, but in today's lesson, we will teach you about Visual Studio Code and run some commands over there. What is Visual Studio Code? Visual Studio Code combines the simplicity of a source code editor with a powerful developer tooling. So what is the difference between Visual Studio Code and Visual Studio? Visual Studio Code is an editor, while Visual Studio is an integrated development environment. Let's start installing it first. How to install Visual Studio Code? Copy this link, open it over here. Now you can download the executable file based on your operating system. As I'm using Windows, so I'll download the exe for Windows. Once it is downloaded, it goes very fast. Within few seconds, it will be installed on your laptop. So now Visual Studio Code is installed. Let's move forward. How to open Visual Studio Code editor. Now there are two ways to open Visual Studio Code. First way, go to search bar and type Visual Studio Code. Go to File and select New File. Click Select a language. Write Python. Now write code and save the file. Let's write a print statement command. Hello, I am learning Python. Notice here, there is no green button over here. Now when we save this file as Python, a green button will come here. When we click that button, it will execute the command. Now if you see here, green button comes here. Just click this button. It will execute this file, this command, and the results will be displayed at the bottom. Now let's use a variable here. Now let's print this variable. Now if I click this green button over here, which executes the whole script, not this particular line, but the whole script. See, hello, I'm learning Python and a new boy. Now what if I want to execute one line, not the complete script? Let's write print run only this command. Let's execute this one. How you can execute? By pressing shift and enter. If you see here, the Python interactive shell will open and the command will be written over here. Run only this command, run only this command. Now this is interactive shell. You can write the command, it will give you the results on the screen. Now if I click this green button again, it will not run, but it will give an error because at this moment we have the interactive shell open. So first remove this interactive shell. Now run this green button. It will execute the whole script now. Hello, I'm learning Python. New world, run only this command. So in this way, Visual Studio Code is easier to use. You just write your script here, save the file, click this green button, and the results will be displayed in the bottom. There is no need to create a new project like we used to do in Visual Studio. So this is a lighter application. Let's move forward. Now whatever I have shown here in this editor, I have also written down in this PPT. Place the cursor at the line you want to execute. Press shift and enter. The results will be displayed in the interactive shell at the bottom of the screen. If you want to run the complete script again, then click the delete button to kill the active terminal session and then click the run button. How to open your script directly in Visual Studio Code. Now, if you know the path where the script is present, then go to that path and then write code space dot. I have placed the script over here. So let me go to this path, cmd. The script is there, learn.py. If I do code space dot, now this application was already open. So let's close this one and try again. Now if you see, if you write this code space dot, then it will open your Python application in the Visual Studio Code. Thanks for watching the video. Catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.